Now we are receiving and checking raw ingredients for donut production.
From arrival to storage, everything is controlled instantly.
Now we are storing raw ingredients in controlled bulk storage systems. Now we are cleaning and sieving the ingredients automatically.
No dust, no debris. Only clean ingredients advance.
Now we are mixing all the donut ingredients to form elastic dough.
No variation, no guessing. Every donut starts the same.
Now we are resting the dough for fermentation so it can rise properly.
Now we are flattening the dough using automated sheeting machines. The dough doesn't rest here, it flows perfectly into the next step. Now we are cutting and shaping the donuts automatically.
Nothing is wasted. Every gram goes back into production.
Now we are recycling the excess dough automatically to reduce waste.
Recycled doesn't mean rejected. Quality stays identical.
Now we are proofing the donuts in a controlled tunnel for final rising.
Underproofed or overproofed? Machines never allow it.
Now we are heating the oil to the exact temperature for donut frying.
Too hot burns donuts. Too cool ruins texture. Machines never guess. Frying doesn't start until oil is perfect, and this step decides quality.
Now we are deep frying the donuts using automated flipping systems.
Too long burns. Too short ruins texture. Machines never miss.
Now we are draining excess oil from the donuts automatically. Now we are cooling the donuts to stabilize their texture.
If donuts aren't cooled properly, everything after fails.
Now we are injecting fillings into the donuts automatically. Now we are glazing the donuts automatically using glaze waterfalls. Now we are applying toppings to the donuts automatically.
Now we are inspecting donut quality using automated vision systems.
Too dark, too light, uneven filling. Machines catch it instantly.
Now we are rejecting any donuts that do not meet quality standards.
Now we are sorting the donuts automatically by type.
Now we are loading the donuts into trays using robotic systems.
Now we are packaging the donuts automatically for distribution.
Packaging isn't just closing a box. It protects quality till the customer.
Now we are labeling each donut package with full product information.
Once labeled Reuben, every donut pack has an identity.
Now we are checking the exact weight of every donut package automatically.
Once labeled Reuben, every donut pack has an identity.
Now we are dispatching the donuts for distribution.